with a slow one. He didn't realize it, Shoaib Akhtar. That's hit him. That's been taken by the keeper. They're all very excited and, well, they have a reason.
Is he gone? I think Shoaib has done the trick. The risk. Oh, that's gone. Cleaned up. Blackwell, no movement of the feet. And the off pole flattened. Shoaib is superb today.
That's gone high in the air. It's a skyer. Who will take it? Shoaib Akhtar is called mine. And, well, it's yours. His 5th wicket of the innings. 4th time he's picked up 5 in his one-day international career. First time against England.